Welcome to Review Source. When precision matters and every fastener counts, having the right tool makes all the difference. Whether you're working on vehicles, bikes, machinery, or delicate equipment, accuracy isn't optional. Today, we're covering the best power screwdrivers, chosen for their reliability, ease of use, accuracy, and real-world performance. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. At number 1, we have the DEWALT FlexDrive Cordless Screwdriver. This tool represents a significant shift in how we interact with compact drivers. Unlike traditional trigger-based tools, this model utilizes DEWALT's new FlexDrive technology. Instead of pulling a trigger, you activate the tool using a motion-sensing collar system. You simply twist right for forward, left for reverse. It offers a tactile slide-to-drive experience that eliminates the need to constantly reposition your hand to find a button, which professionals find invaluable during repetitive assembly tasks. Under the hood, it packs a punch with 44 inch-pounds of powered torque and a manual lock for up to 124 inch-pounds, so you can hand-tighten fasteners without swapping tools. The 360 RPM no-load speed is brisk enough for most light-duty applications, while USB-C charging ensures easy top-ups. Users often praise the set-and-forget 6-stage torque adjustment at the base, which prevents stripping smaller screws. While some fans miss the older gyroscopic model, the FlexDrive collar offers a consistent control scheme that excels in tight spaces where finding a trigger is difficult.
Next up at number 2 is the Fanttik S2 Pro Electric Screwdriver. If you need a tool that bridges the gap between a precision driver and a household drill, the S2 Pro is a powerhouse. Its standout feature is the impressive 6 Newton-meters of torque, significantly higher than most stick drivers in this class. This extra power drives screws into wood and assembles furniture pieces that would stall weaker competitors. The tech-inspired design features a digital display that clearly indicates your torque setting and battery life, adding a modern touch to your toolkit. It comes with a robust kit, including 20 magnetic bits and a 90-degree angle adapter. This attachment is a game-changer for working inside cabinets or tight computer cases where a straight driver won't fit. The 2000 mAh battery provides excellent runtime, and the 7-stage torque setting allows you to dial power down for delicate tasks. Users frequently mention the premium feel of the aluminum case and the motor's consistent output. If you are looking for a single driver for everything from desks to door hinges, the S2 Pro is a top-tier choice.
Coming in at number 3 is the HOTO SNAPBLOQ SA01. This entry is specifically tailored for the precision enthusiasts among us. While other drivers on this list aim for raw power, the HOTO SA01 focuses on finesse and modularity. It features the innovative SNAPBLOQ system, where the tool and bit case magnetically snap together, allowing you to customize your carry. Note that this is a precision instrument with a max electric torque of 0.5 Newton-meters. It is designed for smartphones, cameras, and watches, not for hanging drywall or assembling bookshelves. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a non-slip aluminum body and a circular shadowless LED light that illuminates your work area perfectly, crucial when working with microscopic screws. It comes with a massive selection of 56 steel bits, covering every security screw you might encounter. Users love the 3 intelligent torque presets, which prevent over-tightening on delicate circuit boards. If your work involves PC building or drone repair, the HOTO SA01 offers the specialized control and extensive bit selection required for delicate engineering, wrapped in a sleek package.
At number 4, we have the WORX WX255L SD driver. This tool is designed to solve the 2 most annoying problems in DIY, losing bits and dropping screws. The WORX SD driver features a semi-automatic bit changer that functions like a revolver. You simply slide the top cover back and forth to cycle between 6 stored bits instantly. This means no more fumbling in pockets or dropping loose bits while standing on a ladder. It makes switching from a fillets to a flathead effortless and fast. However, the real star is the removable screw holder attachment. This spring-loaded jaw holds the screw steady at the tip, allowing for true one-handed operation. You can reach high up or deep into a recess without needing a second hand to stabilize the fastener. While it isn't the most powerful driver, spinning at 230 RPM, it is perfectly adequate for hanging blinds or general maintenance. owners appreciate the internal 4-volt battery, which holds a charge for up to 18 months in storage. For homeowners valuing convenience over raw torque, the WORX WX255L is a fantastic drawer tool.
Finally, at number 5 is the SKIL Twist 2.0 rechargeable screwdriver. Sometimes the best feature a tool can have is adaptability, and that is exactly what the Twist 2.0 delivers. Its defining characteristic is the pivoting head, which locks into 3 distinct positions: straight, 22.5 degrees, and 45 degrees. This articulation allows you to maintain a comfortable grip while driving screws in corners or under shelves where a straight tool would force your wrist into a painful angle. It transforms a frustrating job into a manageable one simply by changing the tool's geometry. Despite its affordable price, SKIL hasn't skimped on essentials. It includes USB-C charging and 3 torque settings to adapt to different materials. The kit comes with a generous 28-piece bit set and a carrying case, offering incredible value. Feedback highlights the sturdy, rubberized grip and reliable performance. It may not have the premium middle finish of the Fanttik, but for pure utility and ergonomic problem-solving, the SKIL Twist 2.0 is the reliable workhorse that belongs in every junk drawer and toolbox. And that wraps up the top 5 best power screwdrivers. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.